So here we are then. This is the first test run really of the Bitsa bike after it's all put together now, with the dual road cam and the little secret switch I'll show you later on the headlight to swap over from one set of points to the other. Everything's been tuned up. I think the pipes are a bit loud. People will hear me coming, that's for sure. These pipes have actually got baffles in as well, which is a bit odd because it's so much noisy. Tacho works, speedo works, everything else is alright really. Runs through the gears alright, no clunking or crunching through the gears, so that's alright. This is supposed to be a lockdown, there's fucking tons of people walking around. I did have an issue with the indicators, because for indicators I couldn't get to work. I tried a couple of indicator units and none of them worked. So I checked out the circuitry of an indicator unit and checked the wiring on this wiring loom, and they didn't match up. So basically I rewired the plug for the indicators and now they work. If not sure about these tyres. Roads are a bit damp still, and it's the first time out on this, so I don't know what the tyres are like. So not going mad round corners. Just going to go round the block really, and then we'll stop and I'll just give you a walk round. I mean, I'm not really into loud pipes. I think these pipes are a bit on the loud side, to be honest. I think they sound louder than if the bike didn't even have pipes. Tell you what, there's not a lot of vibration from this engine compared to the other two. I can't really go mad at the moment because it's got new rings and stuff in it, but plus I want the brakes to bed in a little bit better. Yeah, it feels alright, I reckon. I mean, the speedo Speedo glass is starting to steam up. Suspension feels alright. Yeah, all in all I think it's alright really. I think the handlebars need straightening up on them mounts. They're just slightly off to the right, and that'll bug me no end. So I just need to straighten them up a little bit. Yeah, I like it. It's got a nice comfortable feel to it as well, a nice, with the wide handlebars and that. It's another comfy bike to ride. Kind of sounds like a BSA when you I'm not sure if you can hear it very well through this microphone, but from what I can hear, when you wind it open a little bit, it sounds a bit like Jim's 650 BSA. Should have put the clock all back to zeros. What I'll have to do is I'll have to, because this has got the 447 engine in it and the other two have got the 533 engines, I have to give a little bit of a road test to see which engine has got more of a grunt to it. My knees are freezing off already. I put a B6 ES plugs in here as well, which are not the right grade plugs. I didn't have any B8 ES plugs to put in, so I'm just using B6 ES at the moment. But I've got some B8s on order, so as soon as I get them, I'll bung them in. I just want to stick to around about 40 while for at least 100 or so miles to get them pistons to bed in, the piston rings to bed in. Let's pull in here. Oh, look at that. Yeah, there you go. Glasses are steaming up now. Yes, with them cocktail shaker pipes on. I can never tell where this camera is facing, so hopefully it's aiming at the bike and not over the top. I didn't do the air screws on the carbs. That's the next thing to do really. I can hear it popping every now and then out of sync kind of thing. So I'll probably, that's the last thing to do on it really, change the plugs. Right, that's it for this video. Let's go back home and have a cup of tea, warm my knees up. Can't wait till the warm weather now. So my fuse, Steve, is all ready for the Bullock Bike Bash next, or the end of the year, or this year, whenever it's on. So I'll be bringing that up there, I expect. Oh, my knees are stinging, they're so cold. Well, I'm pleased this all turns out alright. After all the work I've done on it and that. Anyway, I hope you like it. Oh, I need some knee pads or something. You know, they're builders' knee pads that you kneel down with. They'd be ideal on my knees at the moment. Brakes already feel like they're getting better. Better indicate. That's going to piss people off. Need to check that advanced retard unit's working as well. Didn't check that. Another little job to do. Okay, now this is loud.